If you're over 55 and considering affiliate marketing, you've probably already found plenty of advice about how to get started. Choose a niche, build a website, create content, find products to promote, generate traffic. But I believe there's something more important to do before any of that. Ask the right questions. Because before you start learning how to become an affiliate marketer, it makes sense to understand exactly what you're getting into. At Senior Entrepreneur Hub, we've identified 10 essential questions. Question 1. What exactly is affiliate marketing? You may have heard the term many times, but could you clearly explain how the business model actually works? Question 2. Is affiliate marketing right for me? Just because something works for another person doesn't necessarily mean it will suit you. Your interests, expectations, and time all matter. Question 3. Is affiliate marketing legitimate? It's important because it exists in an environment where legitimate businesses sit alongside unrealistic promises. Understanding the difference matters. Question 4. How does affiliate marketing actually work? Understanding how those three parties work together gives you a much clearer picture of the business you're considering. Question 5. What does it really take to succeed? It's not simply about putting a few links online. There are skills to learn, work to do, and trust to build. Question 6. Do I need experience or technical skills? How much technical knowledge do you actually need? Which skills can be learned along the way? Question 7. Can I learn affiliate marketing on my own? Having access to information and knowing how to turn it into a structured learning path are two different things. Question 8. How long does it realistically take? Online business is often presented as fast, but reality looks different. Realistic timelines help you decide if you're prepared. Question 9. How do I know which training I can trust? If you decide you want help, how do you evaluate it? What should you look for, and what should make you cautious? Question 10. How do I start affiliate marketing? Only after considering the previous 9 questions do we arrive here, not at the beginning, at the end. So how many could you answer? We're not here to convince you that affiliate marketing is right for you. We're here to help you make that decision for yourself. That's why we've created Affiliate Marketing. After 55, a realistic guide. Read it free at Senior Entrepreneur Hub. Take your time, then decide what makes sense for you.